Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Measure and gather ingredients. 6 Lipton tea bags, 8 cups of water, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 lemon, 4 cups of ice, and a 64-ounce pitcher. Slice the lemon into 6 thin slices and squeeze 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice into a small bowl. Chill the intended pitcher in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes so the brewed tea cools faster. Keep sugar, optional honey, and any garnishes like mint ready on the counter for immediate use. Bring 8 cups of water to a rolling boil, then remove the pot from heat and immediately add 6 Lipton tea bags. Let the bags steep off the heat for 5 minutes, gently squeezing each bag once to extract flavor without bitterness. Stir in 1/2 cup sugar while the tea is hot so it dissolves completely. Reduce sugar or use a sweetener to taste. Let the sweetened tea cool for 30 minutes at room temperature, then transfer to the chilled 64-ounce pitcher. And to serve, fill glasses with a total of 4 cups of ice per pitcher batch, then pour the chilled tea over the ice. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice to brighten flavor. Stir each glass once, then garnish with a lemon slice and, if desired, a sprig of mint or a thin cucumber ribbon for a fresh twist. Adjust sweetness at the table with sugar or honey packets. Cover and store any leftover tea in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Discard if off odor or cloudiness appears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.